Hi friends, today I want to solve these math problems. 6 to the power of x times 6 to the power of x equals 64. This is same to this formula. A to the power of m times a to the power of m equals a to the power of m plus m equals a to the power of 2m. 6 to the power of x plus 6 equals, we can write 64 equals 8 square. 6 to the power of x plus x, 2x equals 8 square. Now we take the log of both sides. Log of 6 to the power of 6 equals log of 8 to the power of 2. These are same to this formula. Log 8 to the power of n equals n times log of the a. Two x times log 6 equals 2 times log of 8. Now both sides of the equation are divided by 2 times log 6. 2 times log 6, 2 times log 6. 2 times log 6 divided by 2 times log 6 is 1. 1 times x equals x. 2 divided by 2, 1. x equals log 8 over log 6. X equals log 8 over log 6. This is same to this formula. Log a base m over log b base m equals log a base b. And as a result, x equals log 8 base 6. Now we substitute the value of x. X to the power of x times x to the power of x equals 64. 6 to the power of log 8 with base 6 times 6 to the power of log 8 base 6 equals 64. This is same to this formula. 8 to the power of log b with base a equals b times log a with base a. 8 to the power of log 6 with base 6 times 8 to the power of log 6 base 6 equals 64. Log 6 log of the 6 with base 6 is 1. 8 to the power of 1, 8. Log 6 log of the 6 base of 6 equals 1. 8 to the power of 1, 8 equals 64. 8 times 8, 64. 64 equals 64. Thank you for watching.